plus 2 first year art science and the commerce. Invitation to English to is your book 2 and second book of your plus 2 English syllabus. And in this session we are going to discuss the syllabus portion of book 2. The first chapter is the 3 questions and which is written by Leo Tolstoy. Second one is the After 20 Years written by O. Henry. Third one is the Open Window Saki. And next one is the one and only Hodini. And the next one is the Childhood Marriage. These are the courses of study of for the first year Arts, Science and the Commerce. Okay, the dear student, आमे first year Arts, Science और Commerce रे book 2 रो